nggak terasa banget kita udah sampai ke pembahasan yang ke-10 mengenai surplus konsumen dan surplus produsen. Yeay. Understanding surplus in economics. Welcome to my presentation on surplus in economics. In this presentation, I will explore the concept of consumer surplus, producer surplus, and their relationship.
A few moments later.
What is consumer surplus? Consumer surplus represents the difference between what consumers are willing to pay for a good or service and what they actually pay. Surplus konsumen mewakili selisih antara jumlah yang bersedia dibayar konsumen untuk suatu barang atau jasa dan jumlah yang sebenarnya mereka bayarkan. Factors affecting consumer surplus. The first, price elasticity of demand. The more elastic the demand, the greater the potential consumer surplus. The second, availability of substitutes. When substitutes are readily available, consumers have more options, leading to higher consumer surplus. The third, income levels. Higher income levels allow consumers to afford goods and services at a lower price, increasing consumer surplus. Elastisitas harga permintaan. Semakin elastis permintaan, maka semakin besar pula potensi surplus konsumen. Ketersediaan pengganti. Ketika barang pengganti sudah tersedia, konsumen memiliki lebih banyak pilihan, sehingga akan menyebabkan surplus konsumen lebih tinggi. Tingkat pendapatan. Tingkat yang lebih tinggi akan memungkinkan konsumen membeli barang dan jasa dengan harga lebih rendah, sehingga akan meningkatkan surplus konsumen. What is producer surplus? Producer surplus is the difference between the price producer receive for a good or service and the minimum price they are willing to accept. Apa itu surplus produsen? Surplus produsen adalah selisih antara harga yang diterima produsen atas suatu barang atau jasa dan harga minimum yang bersedia mereka terima. Factors affecting producer surplus. Cost of production. Lower production cost increase producer surplus as producer can sell at lower prices while still earning a profit. Technological advancement. Improved technology enables producers to produce goods more efficiently, leading to higher producer surplus. Input prices. Lower input prices result in higher producer surplus as producer can maintain profitability while lowering prices. Understanding the relationship. Consumer surplus and producer surplus are mutually beneficial. Consumer surplus represents the value consumer gain, while producer surplus represents the profit earned by producer. Calculating total surplus. Total surplus is the sum of consumer surplus and producer surplus in a market. In quantities, the overall welfare generated by an exchange. Real-world applications. Government policies. Tax reduction of subsidies can impact consumer and producer surplus, leading to economic efficiency. Supply and demand shocks. Disruption in supply or changes in consumer demand can affect surplus, leading to price adjustment in the market. Market competition. Competitive market tend to have more consumer surplus as multiple suppliers drive prices down. International trade. Trade adjustment can impact surplus by increasing access to foreign markets and providing opportunity for producer and consumer. So guys, itulah materi terakhir kita mengenai matematika bisnis yang membahas tentang surplus konsumen dan surplus produsen. Aku harap kalian bisa mengerti dengan baik. Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa like dan komen. Semoga video ini bermanfaat. See you in the next video guys.